In this video, I'll be showing how you can migrate from BizTalk to MuleSoft using Curitech AI's migration agents. To begin, here you can see the BizTalk source code that I will be migrating. Now, I'll go to the migration sections inside Curitech AI and click on Migration Accelerator. Inside the Migration Accelerator, I have two options. I can either upload a project from my local machine or select a project from a connected repository. For this demo, I'm uploading a project from my computer. I'll select the BizTalk code and click on Upload. Next, in the Integration Platform dropdown, I'll choose BizTalk and click on Submit. Once I click on Submit, the migration task gets started. And once the task gets completed, Curitech AI generates a full migration output. The first thing Curitech AI generates is the list of detected endpoints. In this project, one endpoint was detected. During this process, you will be getting an option to select the endpoints you want to migrate. And if your BizTalk project contains multiple endpoints, you can choose as many of them you want to generate MuleSoft implementations for. Next, Curitech AI generates a migration document. This document includes all the key details from the BizTalk, the high-level flow, the business logic step, the input and output schemas, and the overall structure for the integration. After that, Curitech AI generates a Migration API specification. And finally, Curitech AI generates a complete MuleSoft project code, which includes files such as .md files, muleartifact.json, a fully generated pom.xml with all the dependencies, the main XML file containing all the business flows, global.xml for global configurations, property files like application.yaml, and the generated data view transformation files as well. Everything is packaged as ready to run a Mule 4 application. Now I've imported the generated MuleSoft project into Endpoints Studio, and this is how it looks like. Inside the purchase service.xml, you can see the flows that Curitech AI has generated. At a high level, a listener flow is generated to expose the endpoint and route incoming request to the main business flow. And the make purchase flow is generated to implement the overall logic. It logs and extracts a SOAP request, validates the customer and product input, and processes the purchase when validation gets succeeded, and also handles the error when the request is invalid. So what you see here is a clean, structured MuleSoft implementation of the original BizTalk code, which was fully generated by Curitech AI. And that's it. This is how easily you can migrate a BizTalk application into a fully runnable MuleSoft project using Curitech AI's migration agents.